Now, Jude, I always see this on the beaches around here.
Yeah.
And being from Canada, I've got to figure out all the seaweeds now that I'm here in Australia. But I did hear that this is edible.
It is. It's called Pigface. It's called purslane. It's a really interesting plant. It's got like I'd call it a salty, astringent type of flavour. A lot of people will chop it up and put it in salads. It is quite edible. Magic flower. I mean, it's a very pretty flower, and it's a really hardy bush. And like you say, you can see it growing everywhere. So, yeah, it's, you know, we've got it growing over rocks, and I know throughout the property it just seems to be popping up here, there. And
yeah, I'm surprised to see it away from the beach. So, is it a seaweed or is it just a plant that likes to live near the ocean?
It's a plant. It's a succulent. It's a plant that likes to live near the ocean. It's not a seaweed, but it's one of those plants that pretty much do well wherever it goes.
And I know where I live anyway. Yeah, it's quite salty. With the seaweed, we soak it in water to help pull a lot of the salt out.
Just leach a little,
And then you can use that salt water for brines. You can use it for other things as well. So you can steam them and eat them, kind of like edamame beans. The seaweed, I mean, I don't know about Pigface. And then use the salt water for a brine. So maybe I'll have to give it a try with Pigface.
Yeah, take some with you. And look, the flowers are beautiful. It's really picturesque, yeah. This one here, actually right beside it, is Dianella.
Okay.
And that's another interesting little plant. These make a great plant dye.
Right.
As well. You can eat the berries. You know, we've made jams and things out of them, but not too much because it can give your stomach upset. You know, and some of these kind of berry-like things can do that. You want to make sure they're ripe. We've just gone through the stage where it's had all these beautiful little purple flowers that you see down here, but now we've got the berries and they're just gorgeous.